Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel Light and Success. Um, Today I'm going to discuss about make a polite invitation. As you can see on the screen, I have write down and a very important sentences. If you can remember them and try to speak them, then you can definitely be fluent in English, and you will be understand how to invite someone politely. So without further delaying, let's get started and see how we can make a polite invitation. Let's suppose you are at a office and you want to ask to your friend like this: hey, are you free on a Friday? Then he can reply to you like this: yeah, I think so, but why? And then you can reply him like, actually I was planning a barbecue on a Friday night. I wondered if you would like come with me. And the second sentence is, are you busy on Friday? He can reply you like, no, I'm not busy on a Friday. So you can say him like, would you like to come to my house for a dinner on a Friday night? And he can reply like, yeah, it was a very fun. And other sentences that you can see on the screen like, would you like, or would you like to take a drink, would you like to take a chocolate or something to make my house for a dinner. Okay, and here you can see sentences like I wanted or was wanted. Actually it mean I was thinking. So when someone say like I wanted your or you can say like I was wanted, so it's mean like he was think so let's suppose a scenario: you are at a office and you want to invite your friend at a party. You can say him like, hey, would you like to come to my house for a party? Or you can say him like, I was wondering if you would like to come my house for a dinner. And other sentences that you can see on the screen like, I was wondering if you would like to come to my house for a dinner. Other expression we can use, I would very much like if you could come along. You can say like, hey, let's suppose a scenario: you can ask your friend Catherine for come at your house for a dinner. You can say her like, hey Catherine, are you free on Friday? She can reply to you like this: I was think so, but why? You can say him like, you can say her like, I would like I would very much like if you could come along. And she can ask you like, shall I bring a bottle? Then you can reply her like, no, not need for taking any bottle, you just come along. Okay, so that's all about today episode. But don't forget, learn, memorize these sentence. When we you have to use these sentence in your English communication, then you can become a fluent. Okay, so right then, take care of your, bye bye.